Hey, welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. Hey, what's up? Hi. How's it going? Good. How's your mom? Bad hair day? Who? You can't have a bad hair day when you got no hair. So today, we're doing Lithuania. I'm gonna make the amount of times that I literally replayed this over and over and over and over and over and over to get it, the pronunciation in my head is ridiculous for me to hesitate now. I even wrote it out phonetically, trying to get it in there. Balandeliai, I think that's right. That's probably not right. I'm making Lithuanian cabbage rolls. When I went to the grocery store, I got really excited and I came home and I told my wife, I was just like, ooh, I was like, cabbage was like on sale. And I was just like, that's like, you know, kismet. It was like 2 days before St. Patty's Day. Of course, cabbage was on sale. Jesus. Onion, bell pepper, garlic. One clove of garlic. Like 5. I can't in good conscience only put 1 clove of garlic in something. I can't do it. It's like against my religion. I'm just gonna cook the onion, the bell pepper, and the garlic until it's all softened. And then we will take it out and cool it and add it to the beef and rice and stuff. So I have a cup of cooked rice. I have 1 egg and a pound of ground beef. You can also use lamb or pork or chicken. I don't know, probably turkey if you really wanted to, but probably wouldn't. Turkey's always one of those things that kind of like can either be substituted or not. And then I have my garlic, onion, and green bell pepper. So I'm just gonna mix it with my hands because why not? So I just added a cup of tomato sauce, a cup of chicken stock, and 2 bay leaves. So I'm going to bring that to a boil and then turn it down to a simmer and then cover it and cook it for an hour. Look at it. Overall, I'm really proud of this. I think I would make it again for sure. I would definitely add more spices because all it called for was salt and pepper, and it only called for it to be added when you were layering it into the pot before you boiled it. Yay! Last couple weeks have really like kicked my butt. So we needed a little bit of a win. So next week, oh shit, Russia, Zephyr. I think it's a dessert. I'm pretty sure this is a dessert. So yeah, that should be super fun. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Okay, bye.